How to fix WhatsApp account banned. You get banned from WhatsApp. Here's how to check why and how to possibly get your account unbanned. If you see a message that your account is banned, it's usually due to the violating WhatsApp terms, like sending spam or using unofficial apps. Using modified WhatsApp apps like GB WhatsApp can get you banned. Delete them immediately and install the official app from the App Store. Visit whatsapp.com/contact and fill out the form. Explain your situation and ask for a review. Be respectful and honest. You'll get a response in 24 to 72 hours. If it's a temporary ban, just wait out the timer. For permanent bans, appealing is your best option. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.